Hello?
Hey, what's up, dude?
Hey, what's up?
Oh, come on, Anna. I bet you got into all sorts of trouble when you were my age. Think you can keep up with me?
What do you guys want to run for offheals?
Break's good if you
Break's
get a
good.
break.
Alright.
How do you feel about the changes, dude?
I'm still kind of upset. Like, I think that she needed to get reworked. I don't think that she needed both of those nerfs, though.
They're
I
top
I
kinda
right.
think one of them would have been fine.
Not being able to go through barriers looks real janky.
It is, but also, like, having her whole combo gone
Reset.
is pretty changing as well.
Yeah, let's reset.
Shit.
Regroup.
Watch
gonna
out,
let
Hanzo's
shield charge.
back left.
He has no jets. Oh. That's
Watch out that Hanzo. Let's just go.
Let's wait for break. Don't go. Don't peek. Don't peek.
Guys, come on.
We're waiting.
Let's go.
the Diva's playing like
Let's go
really
bottom left then.
aggressive for no reason.
And just go right onto the Hanzo.
Waiting for junk right here. Alright, walking up.
Oh, and
Watch that Hanzo.
need heals.
We're good.
Where did that dragon
Okay.
even go?
It went into the stairs and fast.
I got him. I got him.
Yeah, Hanzo right here. Diva.
Push back. Wait. I didn't.
Huge, what the heck?
Fool, what the fuck?
I honestly don't know how I didn't
Messi's
charge.
gonna rest.
Doesn't matter, even if she does to me or dead. Oh, why not a great time to tire?
I
I didn't mean to.
have rally.
You didn't realize we raped them all.
Yeah, just watch that Hanzo. He seems to be their carry.
I've shattered 3.
I have rally. I can rally.
I gotta let shield charge.
Alright, rallying in 3,
Shatter.
2, 1.
Ready.
Walking up.
Slept.
Shatter.
Ryan stun.
It's fucking huge.
Bob slept on point, don't wait.
Trying to
about to
back
wake
up a
up.
bit.
Coming back to card, I need healing. Thank you.
Oh, you're really pulling.
Just trying to shatter too, I think.
Regroup.
I'm backing out.
Time to raise my DPS.
We're gonna have some
I feel
ultis.
like a Zen will be better here.
Thanks checking in.
Hanzo top left.
He's
Ash
discorded.
top mid.
He's
Let's
dead,
go.
he's dead, he's dead.
Switch with that.
Ash is mid top.
Okay, I mean, you gotta stay with us. You're getting picked off.
Diva discorded. We bombed. Nice. Ryan behind. He's charging. He's one.
Nice.
Anna. Discorded. Right side. Behind. She's dead.
Onto the
Hanzo,
dragon.
he's
Or the
discorded.
dragon.
Hanzo,
Dragon.
one. Diva, Adamag. Baby Diva. Okay.
I'm on fire.
Ryan, left side. It looks like he's trying to push. No. He's backing off.
No, he's
I have
not.
shatter.
He's out here, just stagger him.
He's shattered. He's one. He waits to shatter. Nice.
Jump.
Save.
I'm pushing cart.
That is a way too much shadow.
Hanzo straight ahead.
He's discorded.
I have shatter.
Junkrat, stay behind the shield.
Where is Hanzo?
Hanzo,
main.
he's
In
straight.
front. TNT behind. Nice.
Ash, no bomb.
Bob slept.
I have nothing for this.
Oh, dude, I died. I
Me?
can't unmore you.
Alright, no more ults. Let's just reset.
I almost have Blizzard.
I'm backing out.
Yep.
Yeah, I was stuck
I went
there. There's
back
no
out
way I was
for
making
life.
out.
Whoops.
It's a good pick.
Diva discorded. She's half. She's out of mech.
Good help.
Junk, you're by yourself. Oh, nice bomb.
That's huge. Let's go.
Fuck.
Oh, they
That's
wasted
their
nano.
that's nano. Ash one.
Should be close to
Anna's
it.
behind.
Push doors,
correct?
push doors.
Yep, she's still behind. Discorded. No nade. She has no cooldown. Dragon.
Goes in.
Oh,
Supposed to be Ryan.
yep. You're purple. I'm trying to body block for you. I got you, man.
Ryan's
To
one.
me. Point.
Mercy on card. She's one. Ash.
Ash, discorded.
Diva.
Diva, discorded.
Diva's low.
Ryan
Slept.
discorded.
Huge.
Baby Diva, discorded.
Good job, guys.
Oh
job.
Good
man,
job, guys.
I tried to save you, Anna.
Hey, it worked. It was just
Oh,
kinda
I did get
running
you,
around.
right?
Yeah, I mean, I was purple. I was just kind of hiding, but I think you killed the Hanzo. He was chasing me. Somebody did.
I was trying to body block after, because I know that I took the nano.
It's
So I was
alright.
like,
And I was in, does some good damage. It works, I guess.
that was my bad, sorry.
it's alright. That happens all the time.
Those were good resets when we lost the fight. We didn't try to trickle in.
Attackers incoming in 30 seconds.
Ooh, look at all these gifts. Let's unwrap them.
It's not working.
No, I want my gift.
You by yourself over there, Junk? Okay.
Junkrat, they're pushing top left.
Walking up
Watch
right
out.
Junkrat, you gotta get out of there.
Junkrat, get back, man.
No, that's not a good trade. They get a faster spawn.
Fuck everybody, guys.
Rotating
Sorry,
left
discorded.
side.
Left side.
Got Ash on the right side.
Time to raise my DPS.
Yeah, I'm playing behind the corner.
Zarya's still Discord. She's half.
They're purple, they're purple.
Zarya's
We got
purple.
two behind, both DPS behind.
Lucio discorded on point. He's half. He's one.
Ryan's in
Hanzo
the room here
discorded?
on the right.
Nice.
Ryan's on the right.
Nice picks.
Ash left side discorded.
Ryan's still
I'm at
there.
75 for trans. They're right side,
Oh,
right side.
exactly.
More right side.
Ryan and Ana are on our way back.
Oh shoot.
I have trans this fight.
Bob's coming in.
I'll sleep, Bob.
Chat at him if you can.
Bob slept, don't touch.
Zarya
Wake up,
discorded.
watch out.
I'm with you, I'm with you, I'm with you, I'm with you. Nice. Lucio behind, Lucio behind.
Ryan's one, Ryan's one.
I'm trapped here. I'm dead. Alright, we gotta stay together.
We can nano Bob next fight.
Down. Junk, you're by yourself.
Routing power to forward shield.
Hanzo right.
Zarya's coming behind with grab.
I don't have chance for this, so we gotta play.
My
split.
card.
Zarya's one.
Moira purple.
Hanzo discorded.
Hanzo's one.
Hanzo one,
right
Hanzo one.
here.
Can you guys hear me?
Another Bob. I'm backing up. And Junker, we can hear you now. We couldn't hear you before.
Healers are dead.
Let's just wait. I can
Healers
get
are
Bob.
dead.
We got a group.
Am I charging on point or no?
Deeper re-engage.
Hanzo's top right.
We need to contest this Ash.
Ash is
Lucio.
dead.
I don't have anything for this.
Got the dragon.
I used a lot of ults here.
I got charged out.
All systems
Zarya discorded.
Come with tire in a second.
Ryan's purple. And this.
He's bubbled, he's bubbled. There's someone on the right.
Ryan's
Someone's
one.
Sorry,
Hanzo
hold on.
behind, Hanzo behind, he's one. He's one. Hanzo behind.
That's alright.
He's still behind.
Guys, Hanzo's still behind, I think.
He's dead.
Ash is on me, any help?
Eva, can you help peel for the flankers?
I had to stay on the card. I
Wake up,
would.
wake up, wake up.
I have trend.
I got shatter here.
Back up
I
a
can't
bit
see
because
you.
they're still
Can't
coming
see
right
you.
side.
I can trend the shatter. There's
Good.
someone underneath right
Push
side.
up on that, they're purple, they're purple.
Here low. Thank
Push
you.
up, push up, push up.
Push,
That's
push,
right.
push, push.
Bob's way
Bob
gone.
is
just
all
turn
the way
corner
behind.
here.
Play corner. Nice shatter.
They're purple.
He's one. More no
Ash
face.
left side.
Don't chase. Well, I'm out of sync with Grav, so I'm most likely gonna have it up soon.
So they just used it. They
They're
shouldn't
coming out.
have it yet.
Hanzo right side.
He's dead.
Breaking
Ash
shield.
right side half.
Breaking
Gonna
shield.
be in the middle. Ryan's discorded. Trying to break shield right now. They use beat here.
Ryan's purple.
He's discorded as well. Mora is on
way
me.
in our back
He's using
line.
it for. Mora in the back.
We have no heals.
No fade.
Moira's dead.
Oh, we have better spawns here. I have Trent. Did they grab?
No.
Not yet.
Uh,
Better again.
Stay safe, stay safe.
Yep.
Got a shield charge.
Another Bob. I think that's off the map.
No, it's not. It's not.
Ryan discorded.
Great shattered.
Yeah, that shadow was huge.
Wow, good job. Great trans too.
For the yam.
Okay.
Fuck yeah,
Good
dude.
job, guys.
Good job, guys.
Nice job.
Okay.
Play of the game.
Okay, thanks guys. I gotta go.
Good game.
Cool, good game, dude.
Alrighty, GG.